Well, I had amazing, awesome experiences, both on the personal level. I made major breakthroughs, which I never thought would be possible. But I also learned a lot for my skills, because I'm also a regression therapist. So, well, words cannot pronounce what I experienced. It was a very good experience, and I'm very happy. The best experience I had, well, that was the session I just come from. Well, I'll tell you, it's unimaginable how my soul set everything in scene. And also for other souls, I had a session with somebody, and we were put on each other's path. And, well, you can't put it in a script. It's unexplainable. And then we had a session, and in the middle of the session, something in me took over to give my facilitator a session. So we merged. That was the best experience. And it built up through the days. Day 0, when we came, things started. Day 1, a tip was lifted. Then day 2, big tip was lifted. Day 3, even more. And day 4, well, yeah, everything seems to be lifted today. Very good. I learned a lot from him. Like I said, I'm already a regression therapist. I went 2 years on a course, every 2 weeks for 2 full days. And what I learned here on 4 days, isn't it? 4 days. Well, so much new things, and also things, and that's much more important, where with which tools I can go much deeper, much more to the essence. And he explains very good. Yeah. And I had one. I can open the Akasha Chronics, and then they told me, have a talk with the teacher. And then what was nice, he completely understood my question, and he even told me a little bit what was going to happen in the coming 4 days, which was true. Do it. Take the opportunity. Also to my colleagues, regression therapists, do it. You will learn a lot about yourself, but also new skills.